So 60 now, the score. One more over of power play left. And Bhaskar and Rajiv, what a knock from both these players. It's Rajiv who's been more forceful, but Bhaskar more deft in his placements, more clinical in his execution. For Rajiv is all power and force. Both these players have combined quite well. We're all set for a big score here, the Bulldozers. That's the kind of flexibility which the strikers need as far as the bowling is concerned. They need to bring in more changes here, get their spinners, try and apply some more pressure.
Well, that's something I won't try it at home, that's for sure. Would you, Sabha?
I've done enough pyrotechnics as a wicketkeeper. I'm not interested in this one. Rajiv Pillai, who played a good knock yesterday in that game against the Tigers. It kept wickets for the first 5 overs. Now it's his turn to roll his arm over. He replaces Mukundan. What can they do from here? They need to pick up a wicket. It'll be great if they can get the wicket of Rajiv. That'll at least bring down the run rate to some extent. It's 12 at this stage. They are steaming here.
That's a good change as far as Kerala strikers are concerned. Rajiv Pillai, who's been a star performer for them in this CCL, has got the ball in his hand now. Well, the same result. It's Rajiv or Mukundan, result is the same. He's pitched it short and wide and is well set enough to put it away over point.
Up and above the fielder there at backpoint point. That's been the hallmark of Rajiv's batting. He gives it all. It's a powerful striker off the ball. That was really a poor delivery from Rajiv first up. He's on 38 from only 17 deliveries.
This time it is on the other side of the ground. Pitching it short to help Kerala.
He's too good a player to let this opportunity go here, Rajiv. He gets into a very good position. He could have hit it either side of the wicket, but he prefers the onside. He belts it for another boundary. Length, it's all about length. They're not getting it right. They have not got that right so far. Kerala strikers, that's why they have suffered.
This time he goes over square leg and it's gone over the ropes. 6 runs. He's playing magnificently. This is too short of a terrific 50.
This is easy stuff here for Rajiv. Short delivery, waiting, just asking to be hit. He does that so well. Into the stands. So another 6 from the blade of Rajiv. So Bulldozers are on a roll here. They've done quite well. Splendid start for them. Already 14 from the first 3 deliveries.
Well, 4, 4 and 6. Wonder what's this gonna be. He's on 48 of just 19 deliveries. This time Rajiv Pillai goes round the stumps. He plays it nicely towards mid-wicket. Sensible batting. It's not just hitting the big shots, but he's using his brains as well. Just picking up those 1s and 2s as well.
It's a solid platform they have built here, both the openers here, Rajiv and Bhaskar. Oh, it goes over the top. There was a chance. Oh yes, it is Kodyeri at cover. He drops it. He went one-handed. He jumped. He couldn't grab onto that one. So that is a missed opportunity here.
That was a tough one. Hit it on the up. Well, to his left side on. Stretched fully. It was a tough one. Such a crucial juncture in this game. You need to latch on to everything. This time it goes towards mid-wicket. 6 overs gone. It's 76 without a loss.